this is K. Reddy, Assistant Professor in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Trivia Department. Today we are going to discuss about start connection of 3 kVA isolation transformers. So in this test, we have converted 3 phase into 2 phase balancing equivalent voltage is supplied by 3 phase supply to 2 phase supply. So let us look into the circuit diagram first. So as per the given circuit, so we have this is 3 phase supply R, Y, B and neutral. From the 3 phase supply, it is connected to the input side of 3 phase auto transformer. It is 10 ampere, 20 ampere current range 3 phase auto transformer. Respective R terminal is connected to supply R, Y to Y, B to B and neutral to neutral. And from the output side, we have to connect line voltage, voltmeter and respective 3 ammeters for measuring the line current. So the first voltmeter, it is connected between R phase and Y phase. This blue color wire from R phase output R phase to 600 volts terminal of voltmeter. R phase to 600 volts voltmeter terminal, and from common terminal to this red color wire, it is connected to Y phase, and from the Y phase one more voltmeter common. This is V2, voltmeter 2 on primary side, that is input side, and next from 600 volts terminal of V2, it is connected to B phase of output terminal of 3 phase auto transformer, and from this B phase one more tapping, it is connected to I1, line current in I1, common terminal. From 10 ampere port of ammeter, it is connected to 415 volts, that is the primary winding of first transformer, 415 volts port. Next, second ammeter, I2, ammeter 2, from R phase, output of 3 phase auto transformer R phase, it is connected to common terminal of ammeter 2. From 10 ampere port of ammeter 2, it is connected to 359 volts port of transformer 2 primary. Next, ammeter 3, I3, it is from Y phase, it is connected to common terminal from Y phase output side of the 3 phase auto transformer, and from 10 ampere port of I3, third ammeter, it is connected to 0 port of transformer 1 primary. These 2 or 3 kVA isolation transformers here. Next, output side of the transformers, for both sides, both transformers, output is connected with the resistive load. So the transformer 1 0 port, transformer 1 secondary winding 0 port, it is connected to load 1 neutral. Next, load 1 phase, it is connected to ammeter, that is I1 load ammeter, and from the ammeter second terminal, it is connected to transformer 1 secondary 230 volts port, and connect a voltmeter across these 2 terminals, which measures the load voltage of the transformer 1. Similarly, for transformer 2, connect the resistive load across the secondary side, that is 0 to 230 volts, connect to 1 voltmeter and ammeter to measure load voltage and load current for resistive load. So this is secondary winding of transformer 2, 0 terminal, it is connected to voltmeter, one of the terminal, and second terminal of voltmeter is connected to 230 volts. So in between 0 and 230, we are connecting 1 voltmeter to measure the load voltage, and next tapping from 0, it is connected to load 2 neutral, and load 2 phase terminal is connected to ammeter. This is I2 load, second transformer load ammeter, and another terminal of load ammeter is connected to it is connected to 230 volts point of secondary winding of secondary. Now let us start supply. Three-phase supply connected to a three-phase auto transformer. So we can vary the voltage from 0 to 470 volts. So increase the voltage up to rated primary. So increase it up to 440 volts. So it is connected for 600. So increase it up to 220. So it is 220. So 220 into 2 multiplication factor. So it is 440 volts we apply. So V1 represents 440. And similarly, V2 also represents 440 between R and Y phase and Y and P phase. These are the three respective input ammeters, I1, I2 and I3. 3 ammeters. No load current is very small and load is not connected yet now. And all the respective secondary side ammeters have reached the zero values. So that means load is zero, and load voltage means secondary voltage of the two transformers are 120 and 120. So it is 120 into 2, 240 and 240 volts. Now switch on the load. Now switch on the load. Now switch on the load. Two balanced loads were connected, and switch on one load, load 1 and load 2. Switch on both the loads at a time and record all the meter readings, that is V1, V2, I1, I2, I3 and the respective output side meters, that is transformer 1 load voltage and load current and transformer 2 load voltage and load current. This is transformer 1 load current, transformer 1 load voltage, transformer 2 load current and transformer 2 load voltage. Similarly, increase the load in steps up to rated value. Increase the load up to rated value. Now see the variation in recorded meters, I1, I2 and I3, V1 and V2. This is V2 and this is I1, around 1.2 ampere. I2 it is around 1.4 ampere. Load side, load 1 it is 1.2. Load 2 it is around 3 ampere. Respective load side voltmeters of VL1 and VL2, it is slightly decreasing when we are applying the load on a transformer. So after recording all these meter values, calculate respective parameters in Scott connection, how to convert three-phase supply into two-phase supply. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.